these guys, these are the bubble inclinometers, okay? You can isolate cervical, lumbar, thoracic with these because you can put them at the top of the thoracic and at the bottom of the thoracic and just look at what thoracic spine are doing. So for purposes of what I want you to practice today, we're going to do cervical. So I'm going to have you face that way, sitting. Okay? So I'm going to climb up here because I need to be able to, I'm going to have you sit actually on this side. I think it'll be, sorry. Is that easier for me? Nope. Yeah, to do this. Okay, so you guys come around here so you can see. We're going to find C7. So I want you to just look down for me. So I'm going to look for the one that pops up. It's got a really, like he, look straight forward. He is lacking that normal cervical lordosis. And that could be part of what's going on, why he has so much extension, because he doesn't start already extended. Okay. Sorry, Trey, we're picking on you. Everybody gets their turn, don't they? They get picked on? Okay. So look straight ahead. So we're going to find C7, which was there. Then this bubble inclinometer has a center point, has this little arch at the bottom. The middle of that arch goes right over C7, and the bubble inclinometer sits in this fashion. It doesn't sit like this. Okay? So you're going to put that over C7, and then you're going to move your little scale here to where the 0 lines up with where the liquid stops. So there's a blue liquid in there. Can you guys see that? If you can't, come closer. Okay. The next one goes on the occiput, right over the inion, that little bump of knowledge. Okay, look straight ahead. I'm going to put that right there. And then I have to line up my scale so that the 0, and I usually do it so that the 0 is on the outside for both of them. Okay, look straight ahead for me and sit up real tall. Okay, I'm going to 0 both of these. Can you see that? Okay, now I want you to keep your body up nice and tall and just look down with your head. Bring your chin towards your chest as far as you can. Ooh, he doesn't have a whole lot of cervical flexion, does he, guys? Okay, so the top one is at 20 degrees. That blue liquid has moved to 20 degrees. On the bottom one, it has moved to, it's actually stayed at 0, which is good. That means that we haven't had a lot of compensatory movement here. Okay, look straight ahead. So what you do is you subtract the movable part from the stationary part. So 20 minus 0 is 20. So you had 20 degrees of flexion. This is much more accurate than a goniometer. And this is why they use this for a lot of the functional capacity evaluations, disability ratings. When a physician wants you to do range of motion measurements for a disability rating, this is how you do it. You don't use goniometers. Okay. Okay. For extension, it gets a little more tricky. Same exact alignment. Zeroing them out. But what you have to do with this one is you have to stagger them a little bit, because when he goes into extension, what's going to happen? Yeah, so you have to stagger them just so that they'll glide past each other. Okay. So at 0. Okay, and then look up. We're going to see. Here we go. Woo, okay. Let's go. Okay, so I can't even do this. It's too much. Right? Let's just go about halfway. Okay, right there. Wait, don't go yet. So 0.
Kind of normal.
0. Look straight ahead. Always make sure they look straight ahead before they start, okay? Because you don't want them starting from here and you 0 these out. 0 is at their neutral. Okay, and then just look up about halfway. Okay, good. So now the top one reads 25, and the bottom one reads 3. 20 to 3, so like 17 degrees. Okay, and that's just measuring those segments. Okay, lumbar, have you stand up.